it's Carmen with Family Handyman, and today I'm going to show you how to lay out a vegetable garden. It's as easy as this. So there you have it, how to lay out a vegetable garden. For this and more, visit us at familyhandyman.com, and we'll see you next time.